Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to design this clean and functional clip handle mechanism in SolidWorks step by step. And if you find this helpful, drop a like. Let's aim for 25 likes on this video. So let's begin. Okay, now select a top plane and draw a center rectangle. The vertical length is 10 and the horizontal is 8, 10 by 8. Make it for construction geometry. Next, I am going to use 3-point arc. Draw a 3-point arc like this. Make a vertical line and this 3-point arc must be in a tangent position. Again, select 3-point arc, draw arc like this. These two arcs must be in a tangent position and this line and this arc also tangent. Don't create any relation as I do. Again, select 3-point arc, draw arc like this. These two must be and midpoint. Okay, now the angle is 7 degree and this radius will be 8 mm. Okay, this radius is 10. The second one will be 1.5 radius, and then I am going to use mirror all this line to this center line and OK. This point and this point make it coincident. This line will be 2.5 mm and OK. Select extrude and boss extrude. The direction 1 will be mid plane and 4 mm. Isometric view. I am going to assign some material. Go to metal and polish steel. Select factory. It looks cool. The next step, isometric view, right plane, reverse the direction, draw like this geometry. As you can see on my screen. If this video is helpful for you, hit the like button and do subscribe as well. This vertical length will be 2.5 mm and this edge, the distance is 1.5 mm. This drag down like this to that line, the distance is 0.5 mm. This and this line 1 mm. This one also 1 mm. This line to the that. Now the bottom length is 5 mm. Our sketch is fully defined. I am going to use case fillet 0.5 mm fillet parameter. Select this a point and that point and OK. Again I am going to select sketch fillet and 1.5 this point and that point, and OK. Select extrude boss, mid plane, and the boss extrude will be 2 mm, and OK. Merge the result. I am going to use fillet by using these two edges, and the fillet radius will be 0.5. The next step, select this face. We will create some geometry here. Select a center line, make it for construction geometry. Draw arc like this, 3-point arc, and this center line, make it tangent relation and mirror this. Convert entity, drag it like this. OK. And trim this portion, and this point to that point, the distance is 2.5 mm. The radius is 25. Now I am going to use trim entity. Select trim this portion and that portion, and OK. Now I am going to use extrude cut. I am going to select through all both. And the offset, must be select this portion. The offset will be 0.75. OK. Reverse the direction, 2.5, and offset must be in a reverse position. Value is 0.75 and 2.5 mm. Perfect, and OK. We have cut the inner portion. I have to select the region, select this and that, and OK. This is our final shape. Now we will modify this thing. Step, I am going to use fillet. Fillet will be 0.2 mm, and OK. Select bottom face and draw a sketch normal to. I am going to use offset entities. Select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Reverse the direction, and the offset will be 0.5, and OK. Also convert this entity as well. Draw a line here and trim it. From this point to that point, and OK, and trim this part, also inner one. Create a vertical line, make it for construction geometry. Select all and mirror it, and this length will be 1.5 and OK. Once the sketch has been completed, I am going to use extrude feature. Blind and 0.5 mm. I am going to use 7.75 and OK. Next, select top plane. I am going to mirror this feature previously we have created. Select this, boss extrude 3 and OK. I am going to use fillet feature and the 0.5 mm. Select these 3 edges, bottom 3 edges and hit the green check. Again I am going to use fillet. This time the fillet radius will be 0.2 mm. Select this edge, upper edge and bottom edge. OK. The next step is very important. This is our part, solid body part number 2. Select this face and create a sketch here, hidden line visible. I am going to draw one circle here and the radius will be diameter will be 3.75 and again I am going to use, now the small diameter is 2.5 and the bigger one circle diameter is 3.75. Draw a line vertical and the length will be 15 and this line will be a construction geometry. Still more moving, we will define it later. Select this and make it merge. Again I am going to draw a circle this point and the circle diameter is 8 mm. Draw a line from this point to that point and make it tangent relation, and this radius is 80 mm, also tangent. Perfect. Same things I am going to mirror these two, mirror about this center axis and OK. Next I am going to trim this portion, also these bigger circles, inner one as well. And OK. Select extrude boss, hide this shadow and the extrusion will be 2 mm. No, the depth will be 1 mm and unmerge the result and OK. So it will merge not properly, so I have to change these things. Select this sketch, normal to zoom in, select this point and midpoint tangent relation must be removed and drag this down, and define the distance will be 1.25 and OK. Perfect. Next step, we will use this face and creating a sketch, and the offset will be 0.5 mm and OK. Reverse the direction. Draw a line here. The sketch fillet will be 0.5 mm and OK. Use extrude cut feature, extruded cut and through all. Assign the material and the color. I'm going to use this red and OK, or green. Now select fillet 4 and make it black one. Select this face, convert entity, reverse it by 0.5 or 0.25. If you use 0.25, it will benefit for you, and the cut extrude will be 0.2 mm and OK, all bodies. This way we have cut. The next step, I'm going to use fillet feature. Why we use fillet feature? Because if we apply fillets to remove sharp edges, according to your requirement, you can use fillet. I'm going to select these two edges, and the fillet radius will be 0.1 mm. This way the fillet radius will be 0.1. OK. Select all the fillets by using shift key. Appearances, fillet, and I'm going to use red color for fillets. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, comment what you want next, and subscribe for more SolidWorks tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. And that's it. Your clip handle design is complete.